if you will, sitting down to your...
What's up guys, Francis Roman here again. Welcome back to my another new weekly video. In this episode, I'm gonna teach you some freeze that we use in b-boy or workout, any kind of exercises. It's called headstand. Before I proceed to anything, guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit that like and share it to your friends, and drop a comment on what tutorial you want me to do right next. Be sure to follow my Instagram and be sure to check out my music channel, Francis Roman. I do a lot of music. Check that out, peeps. Without any further ado, let's go. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to do a headstand, okay? Basically, it's a freeze when you use your head to balance your whole body. Example. And before I want to start the headstand, I just want to tell you guys, do stretch out. No headstand without warming up, okay? It's dangerous for your neck. You're gonna use a lot of neck muscle when you do a headstand, alright? So be sure to stretch out. Basically, what I teach my friend usually when they tell me, dude, I want to learn a headstand, I'll tell them like, my way of doing it is just to put your head right here. You're gonna stand up a little bit. Don't look at my ass, look at me right here. You lift up your leg and put it on your tricep. 1, 2, 3, tricep. Okay, so you're gonna look like this. So it's gonna look like this. And make sure when you're doing a headstand, don't stand on here, front part or back part or side part, you know. Make sure it's in the middle, alright? Here we go again, follow me. Just gonna put your head right here. Here. Lift up your leg, put it on your tricep. This leg, now we're gonna jump. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. You got it right, easy, right? When I put my head on the floor, I keep this position, triangle. My head, my hand, my hand. Alright? My head, my hands, my hands. So, you see, this is a triangle. You know what I'm saying? And guys, just do it, train hard with this position. And then slowly, you're gonna lift up your leg day by day. So basically this is how you get a headstand, alright? So basically guys, this is a headstand. It's pretty easy, it's a basic freeze. And to improve your strength, you should push up more, you know? Push up more, work out more. I guess that's it for the headstand tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any problems and if you have any questions you want to ask me, drop a comment down below and let me know what you're thinking, alright? And be sure to drop a comment on what you want me to do right next, what tutorial you want to see, just tell me up, alright? Guys, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like and share to your friends, alright? Follow my Instagram and check out my music channel, Francis Roman. I love you guys, Roman. Peace.